Here we have a set of smoked upgrade full LED rear lights. This is for a Ford Fiesta Mk7. This set has 2 plug adapters to suit pre-facelift and facelift models. They are packed really well to avoid any damage during transit. This kit includes a pair of lights. Internal resistors are fitted. This is to prevent any warning lights on your dash. Features on these lights include an LED light bar with startup animation and dynamic indicators, a black inner and smoked lens. There is a connector on the back that can be unplugged. This disables the startup animation and the dynamic indicator if you wish to do so. They are completely plug and play. Everything is pre-wired, so they plug directly into the loom on the vehicle, so there's no need to alter any wiring. These are fully E-marked, road legal, and they are also MOT compliant. This is a really easy upgrade you can do at home. You will only need a T25 Torx and a Phillips screwdriver to remove the light units. Please see the links below. This will direct you to our website and eBay store. Here is a simple step-by-step guide on how to install.